To be honest though, I got my shipping containers so organized with the little zero actual like 3 days I had. So now I'm taking like 3 more boxes down of stuff I'm not gonna bring, but I'm gonna put it all in its right categories because I'm so organized. Look at all this money I just found in my wallet. I'm so rich.
When you walk in.
And then the shoes dry. They look so much better. They're so cool. Out with the old and out the new. Get my closet done. This guy's a blue fucking Thailand. What did you just ask her?
3 ounces.
She said, how many millimeters? What did you say?
What's 100 milliliters in English? And it came up 3.5 ounces.
That's in English, girl.
Yes.
It's already in English.
No, 100 milliliters is European.
The measurement for sure, but the word is English. It's already in English.
I know, but it's giving you the correct answer, so it's all good.
Is this your recommendation?
No, that's what you have.
Hi guys, day 0 of backpacking. I give up, I'm returning it. My shit doesn't even fit in here. It like...
You have too much shit.
No, I packed so light. Bought the dang backpack, doing the dang thing, dropping the backpack. So guys, after 3 days of having the backpack, I'm returning it. Nothing fits. For me. It's big, it's huge, it's spacious. I just can't do it. Really nice, super comfy, does not fit all my shit, like at all, not even close. She's taking my handle from the cruise ship away.
Yeah, trash. I'm gonna send it back to them.
2 in the fucking morning, and I'm just like awake, stressing about, should I bring a backpack? Should I bring a suitcase? I only have half a suitcase packed right now, but it was just like not fitting in the backpack. And then I'm like scrolling all over TikTok, like looking at backpack versus suitcase, and I found this one backpack video, and all the comments were like, dude, I brought a suitcase and I don't regret it. Everyone in Thailand helps you, and they're all like, you will buy too much stuff. I'm a shopper, especially when I'm traveling. I'm gonna buy shit. So I think at the end of the day, I'm just gonna take the half empty suitcase. I was gonna try and like repack the backpack right now, but it's also 2 a.m. and I still have photos to upload to my computer. I'm so exhausted. I'm like, I need 5 more days of sleep before the trip. And I'm just up at 4 a.m. Like, I'm also thinking I should just not sleep tonight. But I'm so tired, so we'll see.